welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Rhue. I'm your host Rhue, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Oh, and also, so you can become a part of the LeGrand Rhue family. So I'm gonna go ahead and sip some tea for a moment, so you guys go ahead and pull out your mugs. So here's a funny story. When I used to work in cosmetics, I remember this woman coming in with her daughter telling me about how her daughter's lip stains never stay on. And I'm sitting here like, what are you talking about? So I listened. She goes on and on to say that she's tried all these lip stains and they never stay on her lips. And she's like, womp, 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 womp. And I'm just like, lip stain, lip stain, lip stain in my head. Like, what can I give this woman? What can I give this woman to make her daughter satisfied? So I'm going from brand to brand to brand thinking like, okay, I can do this, I can do that. And she's still talking. So then finally I'm like, hold up. I forgot to even ask her what is the issue. Like, why is her daughter not able to keep these lip stains on her mouth? So she's like, oh, because she licks her lips. And I'm like, what? She's a lip licker? I was like, no. I was like, that's it. I was like, it doesn't matter what lip stain she puts on her lips. If she's a lip licker, meaning if she licks all the product that she places on her lips, they're going to come off. So that was a time that we had to basically get into some makeup etiquette. So after we basically went on about how you're not supposed to lick your lips and pick your lips and press your lips together, she finally got it. She bought her item. And the moral of the story is you do not pick or lick your lips when you're wearing lipstick products, because that is what's going to make them come off quicker than if you would just let them do their thing. Onward. But for real, have any of you taken a good look at your lips lately? Because if you see any crust or dead skin in the form of scales on your lips, it's time to have a truth moment and hydrate and exfoliate those lips. And no, picking off the dead skin cells on your lips does not count as exfoliation. Your lips are the only part of your body that does not have oil glands. So that's the reason why, time to time you have dry lips. First up is the Fresh Sugar Lip Polish. This product is great because this will help buff and remove all those dead and unwanted skin from the lips, as well as prep the lips for your lip products. So this sugar lip polish contains shea butter, which basically helps to hydrate and nourish your lips along with jojoba oil, and the brown sugar in this helps to buff away the skin without over drying your lips. Now, if you're looking for a lip scrub that's a little more refined with a peppermint twist, try the Tarte's Pout Prep Lip Exfoliant. This product, like the Fresh Lip Polish Scrub, contains shea butter and maracuja oil, which helps with hydrating, firming, and protecting your lips from future dryness. Now, let's move on to moisturizing and hydrating our lips. Remember in the beginning of this video, I told you guys that your lips lack oil glands, so they need moisture. So this next step that we're about to discuss is really, really important. Comment below some of the lip balms and lip moisturizers that you guys are using currently. Now, I'm gonna pour up another cup and sip some tea right quick, so make sure you guys go ahead and get a cup of your own. So it pains me, it really does, but Carmex is not a lip moisturizer. Carmex is not a lip moisturizer. Carmex is not a lip moisturizer. It's not. So if I offended anybody, I do apologize, but in all seriousness, Carmex contains petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly does not penetrate the lips. So some of you guys might be like, what is she talking about? But in seriousness, it doesn't penetrate your lips. So that's probably why when you're, putting it on, you're like, oh, my lips look so cute, they're shiny, they look so hydrated. But in reality, you're putting on that Carmex probably every second of the day, because if the actual Carmex was really penetrating your lip, you would not have to go in as many times as you do. So if you are one of those Carmex holders, you out there with it in your purse, in your bag, in your containers at home, and your makeup drawers, the emergency kits, make sure you toss them because they're not effective. You're welcome. So you may be sitting there saying, no, she did not just come from my Carmex, but I did. Some of my favorite lip balms are the Burt's Bees, the Sephora Collection Lip Balm, and the EOS Lip Balms. My two favorite lip balms currently at the moment would be my Burt's Bees and my Sephora Collections Lip Balm. Now you may say, why Burt's Bees? But my favorite is the Burt's Bees because it literally penetrates the lips quickly without leaving a thick residue all over your lips. And it comes in many flavors, so it's not overpowering and it's very effective. While the Sephora Collection's lip balm is my favorite because it soothes, hydrates, and pairs very nicely with my lipsticks. So if you haven't tried any of these products that I mentioned in the video today, make sure to stop by your local Sephora, Ulta, or drugstore so that you can find more of these amazing gems. So my grands, we sipped tea, we've gained some knowledge, and we even got some great product recommendations. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you back next time on Cooking with Rhue. Bye.